and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you an awesome meal prep that you can do using one of my favorite tricks in the kitchen, rotisserie chicken. If you love ranch dressing and you love chicken, stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this recipe. Let's get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is roughly get 3 to 3.5 cups of chicken. Now, because we are trying to do this a little on the healthy side, you want to remove the skin first. I know that's like the best part that everyone says, but make sure that you're taking your skin off your chicken before you start putting it into the bowl. Now we're going to go ahead and shred our chicken up. These are my ultimate favorite kitchen gadget. I use it to shred chicken all the time, especially if you're cooking chicken in your crock pot or you're cooking pork or something that just needs to be shredded really quickly. These are gonna be a lifesaver in the kitchen for you. So if you want these, go ahead and check out the description. I linked them for you. And get our veggies all situated. Now, if you don't like a particular veggie or you like more of a veggie, go ahead and add it. The salad is just really easy to do what you want to do to make it your own. It calls for about a cup of celery. I love celery, so I'm going to put in a little bit extra and also get those extra veggies in. For a 1/4 cup of onion. If you don't like that much onion, by all means do less. I am just gonna go with a whole small onion because I really like onion. You are also gonna wanna add in 1 to 2 peppers of your choice. Now to the best part, our ranch. I would not use a whole packet of this. I used a whole packet before and it's really strong. So I found that if you're gonna use this, especially as a seasoning in here, you only wanna use about 1 tablespoon of it. There we go. And normally in chicken salads, you would add in some salt and pepper. You can do some salt and pepper to taste. I personally am not a big salt person, so I find that the ranch seasoning gives it enough of a kick. But if you definitely want more of like that salt, pepper, that traditional chicken salad, that traditional chicken salad taste, by all means add in all the spices you want. Lastly, we are going to do about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Again, if you want to be super healthy, you can do Greek yogurt. We all know that Megan and Greek yogurt we're not really friends. So add in a little bit of mayo. After you have all your ingredients mixed together, go ahead and throw it in your fridge for about an hour or so. It gives the ranch flavoring and the mayonnaise a chance to mix in all together, and it really gives your salad that ranch chicken flavor. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, consider subscribing. Have a great rest of your week. I just wonder, like, our walls are so thin, I really wonder if my neighbors hear me doing the intro over and over again. Hey there, my favorite trick in the chicken, my chicken. Hey there, my name's Meal Prep Chicken Salad. Chicken salad. Yes, chicken salad. My favorite trick of all time,